And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the abbreviation tag. It is used to define abbreviations or to display them, and we can use the title attribute to further clarify that. Let me just give you an example. In my childhood, I liked to watch wrestling, and when I was young it was still the WWF and the WCW, and this was merged at some point. It became the WWE. Let me add the abbreviation tag to it. For now, nothing has changed. I'll add it to the other two as well. So for now it's just for search engines, screen readers, stuff like this. And there is no change in the browser display or anything. But if we now add our title attribute right here and clarify the abbreviation, so WWE is now the World Wrestling Entertainment, and if we refresh the page, I hover over it, you can see the value of the title is now displayed. Once again, let me do that for the other two as well. I add it right here, title attribute. I change the value to World Wrestling Federation for WWF. And for the last one, it was World Championship Wrestling, if I recall correctly. I refresh it, you get this dotted underline that indicates to the user that he can hover over it, and the value of the title is displayed if you do so. And this is how you can use the abbreviation tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.